Today let's look at how we can create a gauge chart in Microsoft Excel. To create a speedometer or a gauge chart, you need to use a combination of donut chart and pie chart. And you need to hide 50% portion of the donut chart and all the slices of pie chart except the slice representing the needle. Let's look at how we can do it in Excel. Hi, it is Junaid here from the Wooler Academy, where I help you to improve your Microsoft Excel skills. So let's get to work. Here I have actual sales, target sales, and I have also calculated percentage from the actual and target sales. And I have prepared this data preparation table. I will delete all the data here and let us start from scratch. Let us delete the data for the donut chart. We'll select the data, delete the data for the pie chart, and delete the chart also. Now for the donut chart, we will have 4 slices. The first slice will be representing 12.5%, another slice will be representing 25%, one more slice will be representing 12.5% of the data, and the fourth slice will be representing 50% of the data. And for the pie chart, we need to take this data as our base. So we'll use equal C2 here. So this will be the first slice in the pie. And observe here that in cell C2, I have used the formula equal achievement divided by target multiplied by 100, and thus it calculates the percentage here. Now this 30% will be the first slice in our pie chart. Our second slice will be representing the needle of the speedometer, so it will be 0.05. Okay, and our third slice will be equal to 100 minus the first slice minus the needle, that is 0.05. Hit enter here. Okay, now what we have to do is that we have to select this data, the donut data for the donut chart, insert the donut chart from the charts. We'll go here, insert a donut chart, and now we have to do little bit of this adjustment here. We'll select the data here, we'll select the chart here, then go to data series options and set the angle of first slice to 270 degree, and now set the donut hole size to 60. Okay, now we'll select the bottom half of the donut. We'll double click here, then go to fill options, no fill here, and set the border line to no line. You can customize this rest of the donut chart by filling a color of your choice. As you can observe here that there are these gaps between the slices, so let's select the data, let's select the chart, go to fill options and select no line here under the border. Now observe that there is no gap between any of the slices. Having done the formatting for the donut chart, now let's insert the pie chart. We will select the chart, right click here and click on select data, add a series here. Series name will be pie and the values for the series will be these values. Click on OK, and now you have one more chart. OK here. Now again select the chart, right click, change chart series type and go to combo here, and for the pie chart select pie here. Click on OK. Again select the pie chart, go to format data series pane. If the format data series pane doesn't appear, you can press Ctrl 1 on the keyboard to display the format data series pane. Go to series options and change the angle of first slice to 270 degree here. Now select the first slice of the pie chart, click on the pie chart, double click on the slice and go to fill options in the format data series pane and select no fill here and also no border line. Again select the rest of the slice, double click on the slice, go to fill options, no fill and no border line. Again now there is one more slice which will represent a needle of the speedometer. Let's make the needle a little big. Let's select this value here to 10% so that it is visible. Select this slice, double click on the slice, go to fill options and select black color here, fill color, and also set the border line to black. Close the format data series pane. Now select 0.5 here so that the needle is small. Now you have the speedometer chart here. Now let's test our speedometer or gauge chart. Let us see whether it is working fine or not. Suppose the actual sales go up to 50,000. That means the achievement is 50%. Oh, there is a little error here. I should have divided this cell by 2. divide by 2 and observe here that the speedometer is working fine. Now in the last part of this video, let's give our chart a dynamic title, meaning that the title should change with the change in data. So first we will delete this legend here, then we'll select any cell and press equal inverted commas percentage complete and this value and inverted commas %. Notice here that I have put the text values in inverted commas because we need to do so in Excel. Then click on the chart title, go to formulas box, equal this cell here, hit enter. So here is the dynamic chart title, then bring it down, make it bold and bring it to the center of the chart below. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Keep supporting, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.